Hey folks, so today we're going to do number 2 and number 3 together from Nuts and Bolts. This is basically the coupon problem, but since it's just a slight variation on number 2, I'm going to do them both. Here we go. Declare a double variable called total bill and get its value from the keyboard. Write the code to determine what discount someone should receive. A bill over $2,000 should get a 15% discount, and a bill over $1,000 should get a 10% discount. Sample runs are listed below. In the value, 2,500, and they take a 15% off. So, discount, not too bad. Number 3, same code as above, but modify it so that the user can use a coupon worth an extra 5% off. To do this, make a Boolean variable called hasCoupon and get its value using console.nextBoolean, true or false, from the keyboard. Enter the value shown below. Do you have a coupon? Enter true or false. Oh, well, okay, so there's no answer there, but I can fix that. Now, here's the thing. So the numbers they give you in the project don't actually add up to a full 5% off in addition. So if it was over, they give 2,500, you didn't get a 20% discount. What you did is you got a 15% discount, and then after it, you got another 5%, and that's how you get the actual value they give you in the sample problem. This is a classic marketing sales technique that they will do. It's similar to a bait and switch because, yeah, you are getting a 5%, but it's a 5% after you've already taken off the other percentage. So it comes out to be like, 2-3% or something. It's not a big deal, but it's just something to consider. Looking at the code, I've got my skeleton, I've got my import, I've got my scanner set up. So let's go ahead and get started. So this one, I'm going to need my prompts for my input. Then I'm going to need to decide what discount I get. So discount tests. And then I just have my final print statement. Now that's it for number 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and build that one. .out.print. The text they use is enter a bill amount. We'll just change that, your total bill amount. And we'll make a double, and we'll call it total bill. All right, we've got our value. Now we need to do our tests. Now there's 3 different levels that we've got going on. Over 2,000, over 1,000, and then less than 1,000. Okay, now it didn't mention it in the problem, but we can use that by logical reasoning. If they get a 15% discount over 2,000, 10% over 1,000, what if they made less than 1,000? No discount, they pay full price. That's easy enough to the code. So we'll just do in that order, greater than, less than. If total bill is greater than equal to $2,000. Okay, so I'll just put that in there as a 15% discount, and we'll do that. Okay, else if it's over 1,000, that's 10%, and then we just have our else, which is a 0% discount. Okay. Now, here's the thing. I want to try to simplify this as much as possible. You can print each part of the problem inside the if. It's not going to hurt anything, but I'm going to try to streamline it. So I'm just going to manipulate the value. Now, there's also 2 ways of interpreting this. Okay, so let's take it at its word. 15% off. Okay, so total bill is total bill times 1 minus 0.15. Okay, 15%, move the decimal, is 0.5, 1 is 100%, so you multiply that, and that works. Okay, we have our subtraction right here. The other way to do it is to just go ahead and skip that simplification. You know, if they're doing a discount, a 15% discount is the same thing as an 85% payment. Okay, so we can use that same logic here below to say a 10% discount is a 90% payment, and could just say total bill times equal 0.90. Both of those do the exact same thing. Down here, zero discount, there's nothing going on. You don't even technically have to have something there, but that's what happens. Now, by not putting our print statements inside these ifs is going to help us later on when we do this part 3. After here, we just give our final value. So the text R T. Inside here, it was, what was it called? Okay. Total bill after discounts ELE. And then I concatenate with total bill. Okay. Saying now that it's used, now I lose that error. So that works. Let's do a quick check to make sure everything's running properly. We'll use it there. Values. Okay. 2,500. Okay. So we got the right answer. Our text is a little bit off. Enter. We've made ours so double, so it works. Enter the total bill amount. Okay, I need spacers and write that, but otherwise that looks good. And if I want, I can just put a $sign in there. Yay! Which means I can also put a $sign here as well, just to make it a little more money-centric. See, that looks a little more professional. And there you go. There's number 2. Okay, very short, very sweet. We're done. All right. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, well, I forgot to label all my stuff. Here's my discount tests, and here's my print statement. There you go. All right. So now that I've got that, now I can do number 3. Now, I'm just going to recycle all this code, okay? Total bill's already been declared, so I'm just going to remove the declaration. So now it resets when they type in a new value. All of this stuff is still good. We're all good here. All of our tests remain exactly the same. I'm going to streamline this one just to make it a little bit easier on me, or at least in my mind, 0.85. Okay. Now, again, 0% is not actually doing anything, so I'm just going to take it away. Here's where the new part comes in. So if I look again, I have a coupon that might be worth, that will be worth 5% off if they have it. Well, that means I need to have a new section here to where I address the coupon. All right. So I need another prompt. And per their instructions, it actually needs to be a Boolean test. So, do you have a coupon? Enter true or false. Okay. This time I'm reading in a Boolean value. Now this is something we may not have used before, next Boolean, but works the same way next int, next double, all those other things work. Now, here's the thing. I just need a single if test to if coupon is true. All right. If that is, I do the same thing I've done up there, where I'm just going to change the value slightly. Okay. And remember, if this is the case, a 5% discount is the same thing as 95% payment. So I do that, and I don't have to mess with my values. Now, again, the reason I'm doing this separately and not inside these other values is because if I use the numbers they give us in the prompt, I don't actually get the full extra 5%. It's close, but it's not quite there. The way you get that value is you take the 15%, then an additional 5 after you settle that first discount. So can't see the number because I didn't paste it properly, but I'll fix that in a second. So now I do 2,500, which we have our correct value, 2,500, and this time we're going to say I do have that, and there's my new value. All right. It's about logic. It's about what order we have to do these things. If they had worded it differently, or if they'd given us examples that showed, yeah, you need to change that to a 20, a 15, and a 5% discount, we could have done that. But the way the math works is it's you settle the big discount, then you have a chance for the little one. Hope you have a good one. Thank you very much.